Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we are having part 2 of my review for Outdoortide. So let's get started. The first one is a 40 by 40 and it was $8. Let me see if I can get it out of the bag. All right. This is the first one, and I will put a picture of it here. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a beautiful autumn wreath. Nice and square. It's 147 by 147 stitches. Does have the product number and how big it is here. Nice clear pattern. It has 35 colors. We have 310 black. We have no 823, no 939, no 3371. I'm kind of surprised. We have 3770, which is that butter color. And we also have B5200, which is going to be around the outside. Now, I probably wouldn't do the outside, but some people would. So that's entirely up to you. It looks a little bit confettied here and there, but it does have nice big areas. We'll hold it up. Beautiful pattern, paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. So awesome. I'm glad there are no smudges, no smears anywhere at all. Just nice, clean, and crisp. Now this kit also comes with a full page instruction paper on how to start and how to finish. That way, if you're new, you can use it if you'd like. Does come with a toolkit with the carp or koi, whichever one you'd like to call it. Does have 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. And the threads are all packaged nicely. Does have how big it is and the product number. Thread packet, paper pattern, and canvas all match. Just one second. All right, so it comes with 2 hanks of B5200 for the outside, around the outside edge, I should say. Look at all those bright autumny colors. Just absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I'm trying. Everybody's all mooshed together here. Hang on, we're almost there. Look at those beautiful reds and oranges and bittersweet colors. You even have kind of a purple gray. You do have also gray. A little. Here's your B5200. That's why there's only one. And then over here, look at the oranges. Just stunning, stunning, stunning colors. Gorgeous. Even a little bit of blue. Just a add a little complementary color there. And there's your 310 black. So there's not too much of it. There's probably 5-6 strands of that to go here or there. So beautiful colors. Just absolutely gorgeous. I do love autumn colors. I love all. So I was a 70s child here, you know, so I had to have my house and everything else done in harvest gold and avocado green. Yeah, I was that girl. Yep, love those autumn colors. They're even more beautiful in person because I live in the mountains of Colorado. So let's take a look at the canvas. Move that over there just a bit. This is an 11 count, as I don't know if I told you that or not. But very well done. Nice smooth fabric. It is some of that thicker fabric. Does have 147 by 147 at the bottom. So I'm glad it's not too big. So it's not too bad at all. Now, I was looking for my thing. It is serged all the way around. Don't know if I said that or not. Okay, it is 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches by 15 3/4 or almost 40 centimeters that way. So that's good. And its actual is 13 1/4 inches, or 33 1/2 centimeters by 34 centimeters, or almost 13 1/2. It's kind of in between 1/4 and 1/2. I don't know what that is. Is that an eighth? Hello. Math was so not me. Very nice. Very well done. Just beautiful. And the stitching is away from the numbers, so they're very easy and nice to see. Just very well done. I just can't get over it. It's gorgeous. And I believe that they have one of these for every season, so check those out. I think they're like individually put on there, but do check out. They have lots of wreaths, you know, in various things. I think they have the birds with the wreaths, and they have dragons with wreaths, and now these are like the seasons with wreaths. But I really like these. I like that sunflower down there. It's right here, and all the nice big colorful autumn leaves. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, now we have a little bit bigger one. This one is, hang on, it's called a holiday wreath, and it is 54 by 54. It was $12.43. It is a Joy Sunday wannabe. I should just call them Joy Sundays. I don't know, they don't say anything else, so. Oh my goodness, this is huge. All right, it comes in the beautiful Joy Sunday bag. Lovely, durable bag. And all the instructions, same as the instruction page that was in the last one. Let me flip this over so we can get a hold of this puppy. Oh my goodness. And I thought my daughter's dragon was bad. Isn't that gorgeous? I will put a picture there. Yeah, the elements in this are just outstanding. I like all the words. Yeah, and the little horn with the lovely ribbon. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look inside. So, it does come with an instruction book. You have all your colors there. We'll get there in a minute. But lovely, lovely illustrated book. I'm looking to see. Hang on. Sometimes they, here we go. They break it down. So this is a 12-page book, maybe even 13 at this point. But it's broken down into 12 different parts. So very nice, very easy to see. There is some back stitching, so don't panic. But it looks pretty simple. I do believe we're going to have to put these, what do you call it, notes in, you know, the back stitching, and probably the lines for the, what is it called? Is it stanza? I don't know. Like for the sheet music. So we'll check that out on the pattern and see how that all goes. Just absolutely beautiful. Very well done. Let's take a look at the colors. Now, it does have full stitch and back stitch, no half stitch, no French knots. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different colors of back stitch. This has 40 colors in the whole pattern. We have no 310, no 498, no 550. We do have 552, which is a purple. No 823, no 939, no 3371. We do have B5200. So I'm checking. Sometimes they put like 310 over here for some reason. So there is no black, you know, going around things. I think it's mostly in colors. So very beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's take a look at the threads. My goodness, this is huge. Huge. It is a partial though. So it comes with 2 thread cards. Thread cards are the ones with the red numbers up here for how many strands of each, then the DMC number, and then the number on the thread card. They even give you a little bit more of this number 14, which is all that stuff in the background. So you have this much of the number 14 here, and then you have extra here. They've added it on. 2 needles, but gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I just fell in love with this wreath. Oh my goodness. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful colors. The greens, the golds, the purples. Well, I guess that's I don't know what that is. It's a light violet. Dark green, and then you have that moss green, of course. This is, right here, 552. It's a little bit lighter than 550 purple. But just look at the beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Gorgeous. Stunning. Stunning. Gorgeous. Yeah, this is going to take a hot moment to stitch. Holy cow. When you read 54 centimeters, you don't think about how big that is actually. Yeah. Because I've been getting smaller kits, that are 14 count, but this is huge. It is 253 by 252, and I think it goes this way. Yep, we're going to have to put those notes in. Do you see where are those lines for this? This is where the notes are, and then you're going to have to do the lines across in the back stitching. But just absolutely gorgeous pattern. Very well printed. Hopefully you can see that. It is huge. But it would make a lovely picture if you had like a fireplace to put that up, over a fireplace. It'd be gorgeous. Now the paper pattern will not match the canvas for symbols. They have their own symbols running along the bottom. These are all, these are all your full stitches. They go to here, and then these are your back stitch colors. But just gorgeous. And I like, it doesn't look confettied. It looks like it's got, hang on, there we go. Had everything in the way. Bigger areas to stitch. So that is fabulous at this point because, yeah, I'm a little sick of everything being crammed together. So it's very easy to read the pattern and see all the symbols because you don't have any half cross stitches anywhere. So that is awesome. That is just awesome. I absolutely love this one. Let's see how big it is. Oh, and it does have the name that is at the top right here, Holiday Wreath, the same as and the product numbers that were on the front page. Let's see how big it is. It is serged all the way around. Very nice. Ada. All right. We got 54, almost 55 centimeters. Or 21 3/4. Yeah, I just absolutely love this. 54 centimeters or a little over 21 inches. The actual picture size is almost, it's 46 centimeters or almost 18 1/4 inches. And this is a little over 18 inches or 46 centimeters. So it's a big girl, but it will be stunning. Just absolutely stunning. It makes me want to see if, Joy Sunday has any more wreaths. I don't know that they do or they don't, but yeah. This would be so easy to work on. It'd be a nice one for a beginner. It's kind of big, but it's a partial. So you'd get a little back stitching. You'd get your practice in on your cross stitches. But you could actually see what's going on and not have to cipher every symbol. It's just so plain and so clear. I just love Joy Sunday. They're my heroes. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, you know we'll have to start this one this year. It'll take us 10 years to get it done, but it's beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. One more look. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, seriously. So plain, so clear, so precise. I love them. Thank you, Outdoortide, for the beautiful kits this week and last week. I can't say enough about this store. I am totally impressed. They have lots to choose from. They have cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for both. And if they have any specials, I believe that now we're into the Black Friday sale that they'll be running until the end of this month. So, not instructions, but all that information will be in the description box below. So take advantage of all these lovely sales that they're having, and their prices are very comparable and very competitive with other stores. Just wonderful store. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.